Hi guys, welcome to this new unboxing. I've got something very special for you. So let's go and start. Let me show you what we have here. We have the new iPhone 14 Pro in the new color, deep purple, because of course you gotta buy the new color, right? I mean, why not? And we're gonna unbox it and hopefully it's gonna be ASMR. Oh my god, I'm very excited. Woo! Let's go. Oh, I can't. Oh, am I stupid? Okay. Can you see? Wow. Second one. Wow. Okay, so now that we have that, we can open the phone. Oh my god, there it is. Oh my god, it looks. Oh, wow. I don't know what to say. The camera is so big. Fuck. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna break it. But anyhow, let's just take it out. Wow. So let's just put the phone on the side so we can. Joking. You know, we all know what's in the box. Well, it's not very good here. Can you see? Oh, well, this is unexpected. It should be kind of better. It's peeling off on the side. Well, okay. Anyway, let's go and peel this up, okay? Wow, crazy. Like, I don't want to even touch the display because it is so clean. But, oh my god. Well, and what we have in the box, we have the usual stuff here and things. Well, thanks for watching.